Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this bronzed makeup look that I created using an affordable eyeshadow palette. And if you want to see more on how I actually achieved this look, just keep watching the video. So I am super excited to once again be using my Profusion Siennas palette, which I purchased from my local Walmart. Now, if you are an official Glam Doll to this channel, that means you are a subscribed Glam Doll. You're going to notice I'm doing my makeup a tad bit differently throughout this video, as I will explain. But first, I need to get rid of these dark spots that's been lurking on the side of my face. So I'm using some skin discoloration fade cream that helps to rid them nasty looking dark spots for a more even skin tone. And then I'm going to quickly move into priming the entire mobile area of my eye with my fingertips, blending all the way up towards the brow bone. And here's where I made some changes. I always use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, but haha, today I'm using my bronzer. See, I'm trying to switch it up, Glam Dolls. So I'm using my LA Colors matte bronzer to help set that primer, and I'm also using this as a transitional color. I'm jumping right into the palette, picking up that first color. I think, okay, I'm gonna go with that color right there called Oasis, and I'm gonna pop that directly in my crease, but this time I'm dragging it up into the brisk of my brow bone area. I'm taking it super high because I want to try to create a gradient effect on the bronzed eye look. So I'm now going to go back into the palette and pick up Dapper with a pointed precision brush, and here is where I begin deepening my crease, but I'm doing this in a windshield type motion, being sure to keep that portion directly deep into the crease. I'm gonna go back and now pick up a little bit of Groovy and place that also in the crease to really get the gradient effect going. So I'm focusing in heavy on that crease in a windshield type motion, being sure to blend it back and forth and have the colors blend together more smoothly. So here is where I really begin to switch it up. I'm taking my fingertips and picking up the color called Certain and popping that directly on the mobile area of my eye. This is something different I've been doing lately by using my fingertips to apply my eyeshadows. I find that the color pigmentation and payout is much more vibrant when I use my fingertips. So still with the fingertips, I'm going back into the palette, picking up the color called Conquest and popping that only on the tear ducts. This is what's going to help open up my eyes with reflective light, and it gives a gradient bronze looking effect, like that color is blending all the way into the eyelid. Off camera, I did the false eyelashes and wing liner, and here is where I begin to pull my entire look together by blending my foundation in with a facial blending brush, and I'm gonna blend all over the perimeters of my face. Once I finish blending in my foundation, I'm then moving into highlighting and contouring, and I'm highlighting using my Maybelline Dark Circle Eraser, and then I'm a contour using the Maybelline Superstay foundation stick in the color called Mocha. I've been really enjoying this combo a lot lately. Now with my Silicone Beauty Blender, I'm gonna blend out that concealer underneath the areas of my eyes, and I'm also gonna blend out the cream contour from the Maybelline Superstay stick around the perimeters of my face. Once I get the blending going from that, I'm then going to move into adding my $1 highlighter. Yes, and it is right in Dollar Tree. This is my LA Colors bronze highlighter. I picked it up from my local Dollar Tree. I keep telling y'all, do not sleep Dollar Tree makeup. A lot of my official Glam Dolls, meaning the subscribed Glam Dolls, you already know what it's about. So next up, I'm using my LA Color bronzers. The bottom one is called Tan, and the top one is called Deep Tan. And I like using the Deep Tan to really set in that contour, and then the tan one is more so I just use for bronzing around the perimeter areas of my face. So I totally switched it up. I'm not using my Milani Cosmetic Rosarito blush. I'm actually using my e.l.f. Cosmetics blush. It's a great dupe for the NARS Orgasm. I'm also applying some lipstick, and then I'm going to top it off with the MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Lippy. My lipsticks are infused with jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. It helps with the added moisture as well as keeping your lips ultra hydrated and healthy. topping it with a little bit of lip gloss, and this concludes the look. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, as I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.